Price reveal naman tayo, magkano nga ba magstay sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia? So we stay here at Santa Grand Signature at Kuala Lumpur. Isa sa mga nagustuhan namin dito guys is malapit siya sa Menara KL which is a tourist spot. So ito meron na tayong keycard. So itatap lang natin siya and then we are going to select kung saan third tayo pupunta. So ito guys, magkakaroon tayo ng quick room tour after this. Bali nagstay pala kami sa 14th floor nitong hotel. Isa talaga guys sa mga gusto ko is yung malinis talaga yung CR and very spacious. Dito guys makikita nyo sobrang ganda ng interior design nila sa CR and sobrang linis. Kompleto rin siya guys ng toiletries so wala ka na kailangan tissue, toothbrush, body wash, shampoo. Lahat ng kailangan mo guys. So ito guys yung bed area makikita nyo sobrang linis, very spacious. Meron plancha, may sleepers. And good for two talaga to. Magkahiwala yung bed pero nirequest namin na pagtabihin. And dito guys may mga complementary. May mini chiller, may vault, may painitan, may tissue. Ito na guys yung window view namin. Isa sa mga nagustuhan namin dito is sobrang lapit niya lang sa mga kainan, supermarket, mall, pharmacy. So lahat ng kailangan mo guys nandito na. So we stay here for 4 nights and 5 days. So nagbayad lang kami for around 10,500 and we book at Agoda. And also isa sa mga gusto namin dito is yung staff nila is very accommodating. Also guys may kasama siyang breakfast buffet for 2 also din. So lahat ng variety ng breakfast meron sila from noodles, fries, pastries, and fruits. And also guys meron din silang swimming pool sa may rooftop. And also guys, sobrang mura sa Malaysia para ka lang nasa Pilipinas. I swear. Also, this is a considered 5-star hotel. Kaya guys, sobrang mura nito and sobrang sulit. Kaya guys, dito na kayo magstay. I highly recommend this.